What's up, guys? We got a 2023 Dodge Charger. End up installing the shock sensor to the factory alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it. These cars come with factory alarms, but they don't come with any type of impact, so anybody can leave your car on 4 brakes, bust out your window, jump in without opening the doors, and that's how they get in, and they start fumbling through your car, see what they can find. Sometimes they take the car altogether. But this thing has starter kill from factory, so when the factory alarm fires off, it will prevent the car from starting, and it will lock up any type of programming if they try to sit in the car and hook up a laptop through your diagnose plug. It takes a little while to make another key. These keys are expensive too, but you know, I guess it's more. I guess they're a lot cheaper than the car itself. But if the factory alarm fires off, I imagine that whoever's going to do that type of thing is going to take off. Besides the car locking up on them, it's not going to start. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. This will set off the factory alarm. Arm it again. Then I'll go ahead and hit the front tire. When you arm the factory alarm, you're going to notice that you got a red light on the dash. It's going to be solid, and then once it starts flashing, and then it's ready for you to give and take. It has like a 30-second delay. I'll do the other side. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side right now to get it over and done with. And then I'll do the tire, and that will be it. This one came with a remote start from factory. You got to hit lock and then press this twice, and it'll remote start the car. By the way, this is a 2023. Pretty much nothing changed from the 22, except the price maybe a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this tire now. It's gonna set off the alarm. This shock sensor adder was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. For those who live out of state, give us a call. We might be able to help you out how to get this installed as soon as possible. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.